Fall is upon us. Do you want to know how to make the best pumpkin pie ever? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some pumpkin pie, perfect for Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall in general. Great recipe, super easy to make, tastes delicious. We're going to jump right in, we'll talk about our ingredients. I have one 15-ounce can of pumpkin, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 whole eggs, and 4 egg whites, large eggs. I have a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I am using a pre-bought 9-inch pie shell. And I'm actually using, this is actually a graham cracker crust pie shell. So very easy to make. We're gonna take our dry ingredients, our spices and our sugar, and we're just gonna give this a quick mix. Now we're gonna take our eggs and our vanilla, give this a mix. And our milk. And lastly, our pumpkin. How easy is this? I mean, literally 5 minutes. So now the most important thing is we're gonna start on a 425-degree oven, and we are going to put that in for just about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it down to 325 and bake it for just about an hour. Give this a mix. And are we ready for the hard part and exciting part too? We're gonna pour this into the pie shell. And into the oven it goes. See you in an hour. So our pie is done baking. You'll notice that it's firm over here. When I touch it, it doesn't stick. It's still a little bit moist in the center, but I'm gonna take it out now. I believe it's like 98% cooked, and it'll just kind of carry over. So I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna cool it down, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's cool. Our pumpkin pie is nice and cool now. I put it on a plate, and I just want to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna try some. Take a little bit of whipped cream with it. Cheers. Really, really, really good. You taste the cinnamon, you taste the nutmeg, obviously you taste the pumpkin. Just a really, really nice pumpkin pie. If you like pumpkin pie, you will love this. Simple to make, very, very quick. Takes a little long to bake, but besides for that, it's just as easy as can be, especially if you use a pre-baked pie shell. Perfect. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell me what type of pies you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone. Be safe.